Here's an iPhone trick I bet you didn't know, number 101. Here's 3 things that nobody's telling you about field test mode. Click on your phone. You want to dial this number right here and hit send. This puts you into test mode. From home, click over on the right. It'll vary by carrier. Click on cell info and you're looking for RSRP. The worst signal is 140, negative 140. The best is negative 40. Here's the 3 things. Number 1, you need to make sure you turn off your Wi-Fi first to get the most accurate readings. Second, after you take a reading in one spot and move to another spot, put your cell phone in airplane mode for 10 seconds so it'll reset and grab a new tower. And third, your bars aren't necessarily accurate. This is more accurate. That's why you can go from 3 bars down to 1. And the main reason for this is so that you can put a cell phone booster in your house to get better signal. Leave a comment and let me know if you'd like to see a video on how that's done.